Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you back. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a welt pocket. This welt pocket, the method I'll be teaching you can use it to make welt pocket on your jacket. And for your jacket, you can use it to make welt pocket on the sides, at the lower part, anywhere. If you want it slant, if you want it straight. So this method will help you in doing that. And if you want your welt pocket on your boo-boo gown, on any outfit, any outfit you want to put the welt pocket on, this method will actually help you. So let's get right into the class. So I'll be actually using this jacket to explain some things. This jacket is already made. It doesn't have a welt pocket, but I just want to use it to explain the placement of our welt pocket. So you can decide you want your welt pocket on this part, on this lower part. So ensure you go like 8 inches above or 7 inches here. So you indicate where you want your welt pocket. It should be 4 inches wide. Yeah, 4 inches wide. So you chalk your location of your welt pocket. Or if it's this side, you should chalk it. If it's on this side or you want something slant, some people put their welt pockets like this. So you can decide, just measure. Make sure you just chalk where you are placing your welt pocket. I'm just using it to explain the welt pocket placement. So, and please, I said I use this to explain it. So you have to put your welt pocket before lining. This is just for explanation. I'm using these 2 fabrics. So I've cut this piece. This is what I'm using for my welt pocket. This piece is 8 inches long. Yes, and 6 inches wide. Yours could be shorter, it could be longer, depending on where you're actually putting it. Normally on jackets, a welt pocket should not be that deep. It's always short, if you've noticed. But if you're putting on a boo-boo gown or something else ahead, it could be It could be longer, any length you want. So it's just your choice. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'm assuming now this is my jacket. So now I want to rule where I'll be placing my welt pocket. So on this place, I'll be measuring 4 inches. So from here, so this is where I want my welt pocket to be. So that's that for this one. So now I'll be working on the wrong side of this fabric. You can also iron interfacing on this side for your fabric to have more stability. But for me, I'm not doing that because I'm using another pieces Ankara material. So now I'll be measuring 1.25 down. 1.25. And from that 1.5 I took down, I'll be measuring 0.5 inch. This is it. So I have to get my midpoint for this so that my pocket will be in the middle. This is 3 inches, okay. So on this midpoint I measured, I have to get 2 inch here, 2 inch here. So that will put my pocket in the middle. Remember, it's 4 inches. 2 inch here, 2 inch here. Okay, so I'm drawing like a box now. I'll be drawing like a box. So this is it. I've drawn a box and I also got the midpoint for that. Remember, I measured 0.5 here and the wideness was 4 inches. So I got the midpoint of 0.5, which is 0.25, and I also wrote a straight line. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to place it on. Remember, I've marked where I want to place my pocket here. So I'll ensure this midline aligns with this line here. So I have to fold and place it there. Exactly. I hope you can see. Let me see. So it aligns. So I'll go ahead and pin it down. So I'll be sewing on this rectangle now. Yeah, it's a rectangle. I'll be sewing on this line, this like this, and back to this place. So this is it. I've sewn. You can see my stitch. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll create like a triangle now, meeting from here to here, from here to here. So can you see that? So now I want to open this place now. I'll be opening on this center line. So when I get here, when I get to this place, I'll stop, then I'll go open like this, open like this, and I'll get as close to the seam, but do not cut the thread, please. Get close to the seam here, get close. So when you get here also, when I get here also, I'll come down to this place like this, and I'll cut down like this. So that's the way I'll be cutting first. So now I've done that. I'll be turning it in now. So this is it, I've ironed. So the next thing I'll be doing is what? Raising this place up to cover this hole now. So I just need the amount I can use what to cover the hole. So please, you're just stopping right at the edge of the hole. Do not let it overlap like this. That's to stop right at the entrance. Like this. So I'll be pinning it down. So I'm not pinning it to the main fabric now. I'm pinning just this together. Let me see. Right at the opening place. So this is what I have underneath. So I'll take to the machine. I'll open this fabric and I'll sew. I'll ensure my sewing takes in this triangle too. So I'm sewing just on this edge from here to here, from here to here. So I'll do the same for this other side also. I'll be sewing from here to here, from here to here. So you can see this is it, sewed on this place only. So my machine did rubbish here, but I just sewed it. I think my thread finished, so I had to. So this is it. Can you see that? This is my pocket. So now I have this piece now that is exactly the same measurement here that I'll be placing to cover my pocket. So I'm just working on this pocket, please. I'm not interfering with this fabric. We are assuming this is our main clothes that we are putting our WELT pocket on. So the first thing I'll be doing now is this upper part. I'll be sewing and I will ensure I take this with it. I'll follow this line, but I'll start my sewing from here. So I'm joining these two pieces together. So I'll ensure I take this piece also together with it. I'll sew straight. So after I've done that, I'll be closing my pocket. I've done this, you can see. I held it together with this. So I'll be closing my pocket. I'll close it like that, here to here. So I can use 0.5 or 0.75. So this is the, I'll cut off the excess I have here. I'll trim them off. So guys, you can see I've trimmed off the excess parts. So please, when sewing this upper part, be careful not to pick your pocket, this pocket with it. Very careful. So can see this is my WELT pocket. So that's it, guys. So you can fix it on any part of your jacket. So you can see in my WELT pocket. So that's it, guys. Thank you. You can see our WELT pocket. So nice, right? So thank you guys for watching, and please always put in your request, video request. You can send it to me on WhatsApp, you can send it to me through Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram also, and you can also send it as a comment in the comment section of any video. I have 2 requests now. I have a request for short pants with pleats, and a request for dress, a full dress lined and all. I will be doing those videos. I'll be doing that. I have it in mind, so I'll do the videos. Don't worry, I got you guys. So if you have any request of what you want me to make, please put it in the comment section. I'm here for you. Why am I here? For you now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if this video has helped you, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.